What is up, guys? Welcome to our newest acquisition in Kailua. Come check it out. We have a pool. As you can see, it's beautiful. I honestly don't know what's going on down there, but pools in the end add value. Yeah. So this is a big benefit to have at a house. A lot of times buyers are specifically looking in this price point for something like a pool. The downside to it is there can be a lot of hidden costs with pools. So until we really dig into it, we're not going to know exactly the extent of what it's going to take to bring this thing back to life. We've had instances where pools have been really easy to fix. Just drain it, fill it back up, service the mechanical, super quick in and out. And there's other instances where there's structurally some issues with the pool. All the mechanicals and drains and pipes that connect to them need to be serviced, and that can add up really, really quick. So hopefully this is not that.
It can be really expensive. On tax records, it's a 5.3, and right now it's not. So I'm going to put the 5th bedroom and the 3rd bathroom here.
So you're going to turn it back into existing what it says on tax records.
Yes, sir. And it's hotter than hell in here right now. We will have split ACs in every room and the living room. But this will become technically the master bedroom. How do we check for termites? Termite check, sir, please.
Termite check. Chop.
Woo! So that will have to get replaced. Come, let me show you the bedrooms. Bedroom 1, there will not be a door here anymore. This is the area that my father recycled some carpet. But there's not going to be a door here anymore. Closet, just a really standard, cute Kailua bedroom. Check out the reel where my dad is taking the carpet and reusing it to live another life. Bedroom 2. Another very standard, so we'll change windows, put a fan, an AC, we'll have new drywall, new closet doors, new flooring, but it's a cute little bedroom. We are not gonna level the floors. I'm fine with the step down, but I wanna take this out, and extend, maybe shorten the step and have it go the entire way of the ledge. This whole wall is kitchen. So basically, and then an island about here. So you kind of face, the kitchen is gonna face living. But that's my concept for that. This is technically, it's like a secondary master, honestly, because it has an ensuite. So we'll keep it exactly that way, but we won't have an exterior entrance into this bedroom. We'll renovate the entire bathroom, flooring, ACs. This is the room I felt like caught the most cracks as far as moisture and roof damage that's visible from the interior. So the really cool thing about this house, in addition to the pool, is that we have a possibility for an ohana unit or a rental unit for whoever buys this house. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath with a kitchen. So we're gonna touch every inch of this place. New roof, new windows, new bathroom, flooring, the whole 9. We might even move the entrance a little bit that way to extend the kitchen.
Anytime you have a place in a house where you could potentially have rental income coming in, it's a huge value add, especially for houses in Hawaii where the price points are super high. You have a space like this that you can rent out and basically house hack, right? You're offsetting your mortgage payment with rental income. So this 1 bedroom with a full wet bar is like immense value add.
Look for properties with rental capabilities where you can house hack. Honestly, this is gonna be a killer project. We're excited about it. We're doing everything to it. It's a full gut. But you guys want to meet our partners who brought us the deal?
Yes, we have to. Okay, so how did we get this deal? we're actually partnering with our good friends, Kala and Shanti. So how'd we get it?
Kala. No, they actually were hunting. They have relationships with their realtor, and Shanti's also a realtor. So hit up your homegirl if you're looking to buy deals.
Let's go.
Kala put in an offer. He got it. Then he brought us the deal to partner on it, and the rest was history. So this is a joint venture with G7 Real Estate Solutions, right? Okay.
Kala, how'd you get this deal? How'd you find this deal?
I was checking my emails and I came across this deal from our realtor that I was working with, Chris. And I ran the numbers and I was like, no way, this is too good to be true. And that's when I called Kamal High. Hey, run these comps. Is it valid? Is it true? Is the numbers not lying? And he said, yes, it is. So he said, lock it up. So I locked it up and here we are.
There you go. So one takeaway. Relationships with realtors. You can have realtors sending you deals. There's still deals on the MLS. Just got to be consistent.
You gotta have a lot of EMD to put down if you're gonna keep putting offers in on the MLS, because the average right now is like 5,000 in the front, 5,000 in the back. So if you don't have it, just cash lying around, don't do it.
There you go. Heard it first from Kala.
Or partner with people who do.
My husband did an awesome job and locked it up for us.
Yes, he did. What are some of the... Can you hear me? What are some of the issues or like things that you have to look out for when you're dealing with a lender sale? Because it's not normal, like it's not a traditional realtor seller situation.
When you're doing a lender sale, you could lose your earnest money deposit. And that's a lot of money that we have in the deal. So we need to make sure that everything is on track and you're sticking to all of your timelines and your deadlines so you don't lose the deal and lose all your money.
Is one tip that you can give to people when writing offers that could actually benefit them?
Definitely the unilateral right to extend. Luckily for this offer, we had 10 days unilateral right to extend, which we did need to exercise because when you're using hard money, it may not always come on time.
You just never know what you're gonna get.
Yes, so we definitely used the extra 10 days, which saved us in this contract. Otherwise, the lender could have canceled it and kept all of our deposits.